This is what my sea moss and aloe vera face mask looks like once you let it fully dry. I don't know if you ever did like a protein treatment on your face or if you put egg white on your face before. I used to put egg whites on my face all the time, and this is exactly how it feels. It tightens up, and you know, like, you know what a face mask feel like. You don't want to move your face and you don't want to break it, but once like I mentioned before, if you have a steamer, you can steam this. Steam it first after you first put it on, and then let it completely air dry. Once it air dry, and then you take it off. I'm going to take it off with my skin scraper and moisturize and tone it afterwards, but it feels so good and your skin's so smooth afterwards. I love it. This is me. All I did was mix my face with some water to weten it back up a little bit so I can get it off, okay? This is me, and this is my skin scraper. Turn it on. We're going to cleanse. Yeah. And then I'm just going to take the mask off my face with this, see? See? You see that? You see that? Yeah, you see that? Yeah. Don't forget to use upward motions when you are doing anything on your face. And definitely get around that nose, because a lot of people like to build up around their nose. I am one of those people. Yeah, you see it. Don't act like you don't see it. My face is fresh and moisturized and clear. Now I'm about to moisturize my hair because it's clean too and it's wet. It's wet. Oh, what's your name, girl? Amia.